Hello guys, here we go again in the third episode in our course. Today I will explain variables in Rust. But first of all we need to know what is a variable. Sometimes the program requires some data from the user to make some stuff on it and return a processed output to the user. And here is the importance of the variables. The input supplied by the user needs a place to live in, and this place should be known to you as a programmer so you can access it and process it. And this place is called a variable. Simple enough. A variable is a place in memory where you can store your data. Now let's practice our hands. I will create a new project with cargo. I will go to the desktop, cargo, new, vars, ben. Okay, I will jump into this directory, vars, and I will open my text editor, source main. To define a variable in Rust, you have to use let keyword followed by the variable name, and you can initialize the variable, or not. You must give this variable a value. I will tell you later the reason, but for now just follow me. Say we will define x. I will leave this line. Let the keyword and the variable name, let's say x, equal 10. Now let's print this 10 out. To do that, you have to tell println macro that you want to print a variable, not the string you passed as a parameter. Okay, to do so, just follow me. Print line macro x, or the value of x equal x. Well, I forgot something. X, and that's it. You have to include the two curly braces inside your double quotation marks. The function will know that you are trying to print a variable, and it will stop its execution and it will evaluate this value of x and it will put it right here. So let's see the output. Right click, cargo, run. As you can see, sure enough, it gives us an output that says that the value of x equal 10. Great. A few minutes ago, I told you that you have to initialize the variable with any compilation error. But why? Well, Rust has a thing called type inference, which means that if the compiler can figure out the type of something, you don't need to explicitly type it out. What that means? Okay, in this line the compiler will evaluate the right hand side value and try to guess its type and assign that type into this variable x. But it will stop here and jump right here, and okay, I'm seeing a number, so x is an integer, and it will continue working. Note that this type is not changeable past its initialization. I can do something like this. X equal hello. I will get an error. Mismatch types. Cool. But to prove that it's the point, let's change this into hello. Cargo run, the value of x equals hello. Cool. If you are familiar with another language like C or C++, you will wonder, what if I want to define the type manually? Is it possible? Of course it is. Just like that. After the variable name, put a colon and the variable type. Rust has a wide variety of variables. We will discuss them later, but for now let's stick with i32, which is integer 10, and try this out. Cargo1 x equal 10. Pretty simple. Okay, let's try another snippet of code. X equal, say, 20. Let's try this out. What? Error? Why? Okay, in Rust, variable declarations are implicitly constant, and to make a variable non-constant, we must tell the compiler that this variable is not constant. I use the term const versus non-const because that's what most people used to hear, but really this is immutable versus mutable. If you are familiar with const keyword in C or C++, then the terms mutable and immutable will be both interchangeable and fairly clear to you. Now let's edit our code. To make a variable a mutable variable, you have to use mut keyword after let keyword. Mut let mutable x with type of integer 32 equals 10. Now let's save and quit and run it again. Cargo1. It compiles correctly, but it gives us some warnings because we never used our variable past its definition. And that's it for this episode. Subscribe for my channel for more videos and stay tuned for the next episode of this course. See you later. Subscribe for my channel for more videos and stay tuned for the next episode of this course. See you later.